Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi, you continue with the second video. I have 3 questions here, number 4A, B and C. I want you guys to try. Can you please pause the video and copy the question first? Question for A, question for B and question for C. Okay, and I'm going to explain question for A first. B and C is quite similar. Please make sure you try B and C. I give 3 questions only. I try to reduce the number of exercise so that you guys can at least try to do few questions only. Okay, copy, pause the video and copy. Okay, now I want to explain question for A. Okay, question 4A states that please refer to the question just now that you have copied. Please make sure you copy the question. Make sure you copy the question. Use your exercise book. Make sure you copy this question. Okay, pause the video just now and copy the question. Okay. Okay, so this is the question for 4A. Okay. X squared plus 3x minus 10 is a factor of that polynomials. Okay, so you need to find the value of A and B. Okay, so first we know that x squared plus 3x minus 10 is a factor of x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 30. So therefore, when we let x be the subject and we substitute into this polynomial, we should get equals to 0. Why? Because it's a factor. Okay, when you have something is a factor of one polynomial, you substitute the value of x, you should get equals to 0. The factor theorem states that. Okay, so now how do we let x be the subject? We have x squared plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. So how do we let x be the subject is by using the EQN. Whenever you have a quadratic equation, remember you need to solve by using EQN only. Very easy. Okay, so just key in inside. Okay, so your A is just 1, your B is just 3, your C is negative 10. So you get your x1 equals to 2, x2 equals to negative 5. Okay, quickly. So x equals to 2, second one x equals to negative 5. Okay, so we substitute that value of x into the polynomials. So substitute x equals to 2 into x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 30. Okay, let's substitute. You get 2 power 3 plus a and then 2 square plus b and then you have 2 plus 30. You should get equals to 0. Why is it equals to 0? Because that is a factor of that. So factor theorem states that when this is a factor, you substitute into the value of x, you should get equals to 0. Okay, so now you calculate, you get 8 plus 4a plus 2b plus 30 equals to 0. Okay, let's quickly solve. You will get 4a plus 2b is equals to negative 38. I bring 30 and 8 over to the other side. Okay, so this is my first equation. You don't have to bring 30 and 8 to decide if you don't want to. It's okay. Okay, I just rearrange according to my preference. Okay, second step, because we have 2 unknowns, now we have 2 unknowns in one equation, so you cannot solve. If you have 2 unknowns, you need to have at least 2 equations, so you need to try to create another equation in order to solve it. Okay, so now second one, we have another value of a factor, so you substitute x equals to negative 5 into x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 30. So you just substitute into that, you will get negative 5 cubed plus a negative 5 square plus b negative 5 plus 30 should get equals to 0. Why is it equals to 0? Because the factor theorem states that if that is a factor, substitute into the polynomials must get equals to 0. Okay, so you calculate that. Negative 5, and then we have cube, so it's negative 1 to 5 plus 25A minus 5B plus 30 equals to 0. So we simplify, you get 25A minus 5B equals to negative 125 plus 30. You get 95 over here. So this is the second equation. So sorry, you guys cannot see. Okay, so that is the second equation. So now we solve 1 and 2 simultaneously in order to get the value of A and B. So this is just maths problem. Okay, so how do we solve this? Okay, so how do we, dia blur. Okay, so how do we solve this? So from the first equation, so from 1, I want to let B be the subject. So I get B equals to negative 38 minus 4A over 2. Correct? Okay, so that one you can still simplify into, okay, you will get negative 19 minus 2A. So this is the equation that I need to substitute B equals to negative 19 minus 2A into my second equation. Okay, into the second equation here. So you substitute, you will get 25A minus 5. So B is negative 19 minus 2A equals to 95. Okay, so quickly calculate that. 19 times 5 plus 95 plus 10A equals to 95. Okay, so you will get your 35A is equals to 0 because 95 minus 95. So A is equals to 0. Okay, A is equals to 0. Okay, so now we want to calculate the value of B. Substitute that A into that equation. So B is equals to negative 19 minus 2, and then I have A here, substitute 0, so I get B equals to negative 19. That's it. Okay, that's how we do. A equals to 0, B equals to negative 19. Negative 19. Okay, I want you guys to do 2 more questions, the 4B and C just now, but I'm going to give you the answer. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, so for B and C just now, please you should copy the question. Okay, I'm going to give you the answer. So for 4B, your A is equals to 2, your B is equals to 38, and for 4C, your A is equals to negative 12, your B is equals to negative 7. Okay, so that is the answer for B and C. Please try to do and check. If you have any problem, simply text me. Okay, anytime. Bye. Selamat Hari Raya.